In this video, I am going to talk about answers and solutions of NEET 2021 chemistry questions. Question code O5. First question 51. Question number 51. The major product formed in dehydrogenation reaction of 2-bromopentane is pent-2-ene. This product formation is based on four options have been given. The correct option is 3. Answer is 3. Because it is the Saysov rule which decides the major product in elimination reactions. Next question. Question number 52. The correct sequence of bond enthalpy of CX bond, carbon halogen bond is. If we go through the options, we find that option 4 is correct. This is because smaller the halogen atom, higher the bond enthalpy. Next question, question number 53. A particular station of All India Radio, New Delhi, broadcasts on a frequency of 1368 kHz wavelength of electromagnetic radiation emitted by the transmitter is speed of light given c equal to 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. For this, what we do is we have a relationship wavelength lambda equal to c by nu, where c is velocity of light, nu is frequency. What is the frequency of velocity of light given? It is substituted here 3 into 10 raised to 8. Frequency, it is given 1368 kilohertz. You have to convert it into hertz. So 1368 into 10 raised to 3. Answer will be 219.2982. When it is approximated, we get 219.3. So option 3 is correct. Next question, question 54. Zirconium with atomic number 40 and hafnium with atomic number 72 have similar atomic and ionic radii because of. We know that zirconium belongs to second transition series, hafnium belongs to third transition series. Due to lanthanide contraction, elements in the second and third transition series exhibit similar atomic radii. So the correct option is 1. Because lanthanide contraction reduces the atomic size by nearly 1 shell. Next question, question number 55. The pKb of dimethylamine and pKa of acetic acid are 3.27 and 4.77 respectively at a particular temperature T. The correct option for the pH of dimethyl ammonium acetate solution. Here, dimethyl ammonium acetate solution is a salt of weak base dimethylamine and weak acid acetic acid. For the salt of weak base and weak acid, the pH is given by the equation pH of the salt solution of a weak base and weak acid is given by pH equal to 7 plus half pKa minus pKb. So it is equal to 7 plus half. What is pKa? pKa is 4.77 given in the question, minus pKb. It is given as 3.27. When you work out this step, You get the answer 8.5. So correct option is 3, 8.50. Next question, question 56. The incorrect statement among the following is, if you go through four options, we see that option 4, the statement given in option 4 is incorrect because many trivalent lanthanide ions are colored in the solid state and in aqueous solution. Next question, question 57. Correct option for the number of body-centered unicells in all four types of Bravais lattice unicells is uh, the correct option is 2 because only cubic, tetragonal and orthorhombic crystals have BCC unicells. Next question, question 58. The maximum temperature that can be achieved in blast furnace is, in NCERT textbook, the temperature regarding the blast furnace is given. I shall read the sentence which is given in the textbook. A blast of hot air is blown from the bottom of the furnace by burning coke in the lower portion to give temperature up to 2200 Kelvin. So correct option is 4, 2200 Kelvin. Next question, question 59. Given below are two statements. Statement 1. Aspirin and paracetamol belong to the class of narcotic analgesics. Statement 2. Morphine and heroin are non-narcotic analgesics. In the light of above statements, choose the correct answer from the options given below. When you go through all the options, we find that option 4 is correct. Both statement 1 and statement 2 are false. This is because we know that aspirin and paracetamol belong to the class of non-narcotic analgesics, but morphine and heroin are narcotic analgesics. Next question, question 60. Identify the compound that will react with Hinsberg's reagent to give solid which is soluble in alkali. We know that it is the primary amine which will react with Hinsberg's reagent to give a solid soluble in alkali. So when you go through the options, we find that first option is primary amine. So option 1 is correct. Question number 61. Tritium, a radioactive isotope of hydrogen, emits which of the following particles? We know that tritium is a beta emitter. So option 3 is correct. Next question, question 62. Which of the following polymers is prepared by addition polymerization? Addition polymers are obtained from monomers with double bond. Here Teflon, the monomer is CF2 double bond CF2, tetrafluoroethene. So the correct option is 3. Question 63. Noble gases are named because of their inertness towards reactivity. Identify an incorrect statement about them. If you go through all these four options, we find the fourth option. The statement is incorrect. Noble gases have very high melting and boiling points. It is incorrect because gases have very low melting and boiling points. Question 64. Right option for the number of tetrahedral and octahedral voids in external primitive unicell is. Coming to the solution, we know that in external primitive unicell, number of particles per unicell is 6. So the number of tetrahedral voids, twice the number of particles, that is 12. Number of octahedral voids, same as the number of particles, so it is 6. Therefore, the option 2 is correct. Next question, question 65. Among the following alkaline earth metals, one which is covalent and soluble in organic solvent. We know that the first member of every family forms compounds which are covalent. So, in the case of alkaline earth metals, the first member is beryllium. So, beryllium compounds are usually covalent in nature. So, the correct option is 2.